Check it out. It gets to take to the road. It can't go 50 miles an hour.